Alright, Diesel 10, let's go get after Uzi 39 and Sir Reginald.
That's a good idea to start our Cerberus. Let's do this.
Hehehehe, Devious Diesel here. Today I am going to get 2 diesels around. Whatever I'll do, I'll show these steam engines a lesson. Hehehehe.
My Majesty here. How's you doing it, Diesel? Well, we can get after
Uzi 39 and Sir Reginald. Isn't that right, Harry?
That's the name, Iron Harry. And you, Bert? Yes, the name's Iron Bert. A few hours later, every single engine has arrived where Uzi 39 had chaffed. Too close.
Few couple of minutes, Doc and Puffa are seen racing into the rails. Puffa's also racing and seen taking the express. And out of a couple of few minutes, Sydney and Paxton are shown of taking their reverence to Daisy when another train comes.
Closer. I need to find a way to do something very well at this moment. Good morning, Paxton. How are you doing? I'm sorry about this, Sydney. I've got a dream and exhaustion to not one you've thought about. Jesus, but what's wrong? Sydney, I can't have deluxe this anymore. Help me.
Don't worry. Then came out of nowhere is Daisy, who was on the rails. Then she stopped suddenly.
Thinking it's feel okay, because I do not know whose arrival is next up to. I need to go and find things that I did.
But buddy Daisy, what are you doing? Cormac stopped so that he could just take a look at Daisy. What are you doing in here? Oh, what are you doing, Daisy?
I don't know whatever's happening. I hope the fight doesn't start before anyone is aware.
Okay, so Daisy, you have to be careful of this. I will have to help you.
Really?
Yes. A little minute later, the rails take for Harry and Hamish when they are going on rails. Mary can also be seen racing in the rails where she is going. We're unstoppable, we're stoppable, we can go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Hey, you better watch where you're going, you weird trying business around here. That's right, we're going big business.
Oh man, not Cerberus and Diesel 10. Cerberus is named Distorter.
Would you welcome you back here, Uzi 39?
Aiden, what are you doing?
Can I help you so we can get diesels off Cerberus?
Oh yes, we can.
Oh yes. Eddie and Bat, let's do this thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see if they can do this. Here I'm gonna charge the Uzi 39, yeah!
Uh-oh, Diesel's on my way!
Don't worry, I can do this. Come on, Uzi 39.
Let's get out of here!
Come on, that doesn't make any sense.
Oh no, Uzi 39 is in danger. What am I supposed to do?
When you gonna do anything now?
Yes, what do you want now from me? We'll be saying that you're gonna save Uzi 39 from that evil Diesel, devious Diesel.
You could do it right now, Mr. Sir Reginald.
Okay, boss! I can make this!
Maybe we can get to do it. Get that right to it, Dart?
Yes, Dan! Wait, what's that? This is what you get for trying to bully my friend Uzi 39. Do you understand me?
Lots of last times, Sir Reginald. Why would you just nearly bump into me even if I'm trying to get Uzi-39? Because, Diesel, the reason why I bumped into you is because you can't bump on steam engines like this. Do you understand? No, I don't! You're ever to get onto me, Sir Reginald? I don't care what you did right now. Did that work any time, Distorter and Diesel 10?
Of course, Diesel. Would that be upsetting? Well, we could get it.
You're right!
You are not allowed to cuss anything else.
Who do you figure talking to? I get no time if they wasted no time longer.
So, Daisy, do you feel okay if I fix you?
Thanks, Comac. We should just give it away.
No problem, we go too! I further warn you not to bump on Thomas like this. How does even it work if they have no such thing as it? We can't stand it anymore! What? C2386? I'm not in the mood right now. Oh, you want to make me get out? That's right, and especially to you, Diesel 10 and Distorter. You both are also gonna get out. We are not gonna tell you if you're alright. Do you understand us? Okay! We'll consider this a protection. You guys are all out! Okay! Sydney, did you just fix my problem on the diesel motor? Yes, Paxton. We should throw you thing to say that's the good thing. Thank you, Sydney. You're welcome. How you dudes? How you doing it about here? We're getting fixed and we're okay. I'm getting fixed by Sydney. That's a good thing. That's really what we're doing. Timothy's here to take a job. So I was been wondering if I would tell. Ah! No! Help! Someone! What was that? Nothing. That's shields, Paxton. You can do. Alright, Paxton, you can do something. Okay, so we've done the argument. We are starting to get on move. But our business that we're finishing straight off. Do you understand? Oh, really? That's right. Then the only thing that doesn't make any matters. First things that don't make the argument.
Oh, what does that even mean now?
That doesn't make any case. That just Sir Reginald talking some stuff about us. We are villains.
Yeah, we are actually villains. Well, I think it's one of the thing is the correct answer.
Well, Distorter, that's not the name in case. And you, Diesel 10, and Diesel, you are really wrong. Well, that's not the case. We're gonna get a talk later on. But actually, we found the safety lock over here. And that's what we did. Correct. That's not the answer in any case. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get a meeting before we have time.
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. We're getting on a talk. Right this instant, we got the safety lock. The safety lock!
So, Sir Reginald, did we get the safety lock?
Yes, we did, Aiden. Me, Uzi-39, and you got the safety lock from the villains. Diesel, Diesel 10, and Distorter.
Well, that's the correct answer we did. That's really just a case if we could just need to.
Yep, that's the correct answer. The only answer is that we finally won! Yeah, we won! And which means we can get puffing. Let's go!
Yes! Hey, he looks amazing. Yeah, he does look like me.